Get ready because Elon Musk has just said 7 words that could change the skies forever. I would actually love to make airplanes especially. But here's the thing, he did not stop there. He continued with, I have actually thought about aircraft designs for a very long time, and I believe there is a fascinating opportunity to create an electric supersonic vertical takeoff and landing jet. And now, Tesla's groundbreaking super electric plane is here, coming in at an incredible $79,597. After years of legal obstacles, including some that were finally removed during the Trump administration, the desire for electric flight has reached a level the world has never seen. But the real challenge is still staring everyone in the face. How on earth did Tesla overcome the massive weight problem that has plagued electric aviation for decades? And how are they meeting the strictest FAA safety requirements while still delivering a price this astonishing? Before we get into all of that, welcome to Amp Drive. If you love exploring bold innovations and the future of transport, you are in the right place. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because what we are about to share could completely change the way you think about flying. In the next few minutes, you will discover exactly how Tesla made this plane more affordable than ever. How did Tesla manage to produce a futuristic electric aircraft that costs less than your neighbor's luxury SUV? Hold on tight, because what Tesla has accomplished with the 2026 super electric plane is nothing short of a miracle in manufacturing and vision. At a price of just $79,597, this is not simply a plane. It is a revolution that could put personal air travel into the hands of everyday people. The secret begins with a hyper-efficient production system at Tesla's Nevada Giga Airplant, an expanded version of their famous Gigafactory approach. This facility is designed to roll out 12,000 electric planes a year by the year 2027. How? By using enormous gigapresses that produce entire fuselage sections in a single press, cutting assembly time by 65% and reducing manufacturing costs by 55%. It is the same breakthrough process that made the Tesla Model 2 so affordable. Positioned in the heart of America, this factory is more than a place that builds aircraft, it is an economic powerhouse. It creates 10,000 high-tech jobs and adds $1.2 billion into the United States economy each year. Just by reimagining the manufacturing process, Tesla is saving $25,000 on every single plane. But production is only half the story. The true game changer is Tesla's revolutionary aluminum-ion batteries, developed at their Gigafont facility. These power units cost just $45 per kilowatt-hour to produce, which is 60% less than the industry average of $110 per kilowatt-hour. For a 100 kilowatt-hour battery pack, that means a savings of $6,500 on each plane. These batteries also offer an astonishing range of 1,300 miles, covering 97% of all domestic flight routes in the United States, routes like Los Angeles to New York, while keeping the cost incredibly low. Tesla's focus on sustainability plays a huge role too. At its Texas plant, the company recycles 85% of battery materials, reducing lithium costs by 35%. This is not only good for the environment but also for keeping prices competitive. And to make flying even more accessible, Tesla has launched the Skyshare ownership model. This bold program allows people to join a shared plane ownership plan for just $4,500 a month, instead of buying a plane outright. Costs, maintenance, and charging are split among participants, whether they are businesses, flight schools, or adventure enthusiasts. Think of it as an Airbnb for aviation. Analysts predict that Skyshare could claim 22% of the $15 billion United States electric vertical takeoff and landing market by the year 2030, opening the skies to a brand new audience. Technology is another area where Tesla pulls ahead. Their Dojo supercomputer, built in Palo Alto, uses artificial intelligence to optimize every step of the manufacturing process, cutting material waste by 75% and saving $18,000 per aircraft. By the year 2026, Dojo will also predict market trends so Tesla can secure raw materials at rock-bottom prices, lowering costs by an additional 12%. All of these breakthroughs combine to put Tesla's super electric plane on track to dominate 30% of the $25 billion small aircraft market in the United States by the year 2030. Imagine, a plane cheaper than a fully loaded Ford F-150 pickup truck. This is American creativity and determination at its peak. But the low price tag is just the start. The real engineering challenge lies in overcoming weight and structural limits that have haunted electric aviation from day one. Unlike fuel-powered jets that burn off weight as they fly, electric planes carry the full battery load from takeoff to landing. Tesla cracked this puzzle with their Starvolt aluminum-ion battery and a revolutionary airframe design developed alongside SpaceX engineers. The battery has an energy density of 0.18 kWh per pound, 60% better than the 0.11 kWh per pound of typical lithium-ion batteries. To achieve a range of 1,300 miles, the Starvolt battery pack weighs just 1,984 pounds, nearly 2,000 pounds lighter than a lithium-ion pack offering the same range. The carbon fiber airframe, engineered with SpaceX expertise, is 25% lighter than traditional aluminum aircraft frames, removing an extra 661 pounds from the overall weight. The design, inspired by the Cybertruck's ultra-strong exoskeleton, distributes the battery weight evenly, reducing landing gear stress by 30%, equal to about 1,200 pounds less force during landings. Even the vertical takeoff and landing motors are lighter, saving 331 pounds of strain. And Tesla's ingenuity does not stop at the airframe. The Starvolt batteries can recapture 18% of energy during descent, effectively reducing the energy equivalent of 220 pounds from the total load each landing. Thermal stability is so advanced that heavy cooling systems are no longer necessary, saving an additional 265 pounds without compromising safety. The plane's landing gear is built from SpaceX-grade titanium alloys produced in Texas, capable of withstanding 6 times the plane's 5,000-pound landing weight. This means durability and safety are built in from day one. With weight and structure mastered, Tesla turned to the toughest hurdle of all, FAA safety certification, and they did it with flying colors. The Starvolt aluminum-ion batteries passed brutal FAA stress tests in 2024, enduring extreme temperatures from -58 degrees Fahrenheit to 176 degrees Fahrenheit, as well as forces 12 times stronger than gravity, all without failure. Their fireproof chemistry is 99.8% non-flammable, slashing fire risks compared to conventional lithium-ion cells. Tesla's cockpit uses Tesla glass engineered to withstand 5 times the plane's total landing weight, while the batteries are encased in Kevlar shells that absorb 50% more impact energy than standard designs. The flight system features dual battery packs, quadruple redundant controls, and artificial intelligence trained on 10 billion miles of driving data, giving it 85% better hazard prediction than human pilots. On top of that, Tesla's operational design includes electric compressors for cabin pressurization at 8.5 pounds per square inch, which is 10% higher than most commercial airliners, reducing passenger fatigue. Emergency oxygen systems last 40 minutes, more than double the FAA minimum, and Starlink connectivity delivers real-time navigation and weather data to the cockpit, reducing delays by 25%. Tesla's mega chargers, adapted from their electric truck program, recharge the plane's battery to 80% in just 30 minutes, allowing 4 or 5 flights a day and making electric aviation as reliable as today's jets. Vertical takeoff and landing capability means it can land on city helipads, cutting travel time by 60%. This is not just theory, it is practical, ready to fly, American-made innovation. The 2026 Tesla super electric plane is a bold leap into the future, combining low cost, high performance, safety, and convenience into one incredible package. And if you want to be part of the future of flight, now is the time. Subscribe to AMP Drive so you do not miss the next wave of breakthroughs that are coming fast.